Hey everyone, welcome back to Wildwood Hunting Farms. Today we're going to have a special guest and he's going to ask me 4 questions that's most recently asked by Star Beekeeper, so let's get into it. This is Vincent, our co-host of this episode. Today he's going to be asking me 4 questions that are most recently asked by viewers and listen. So let's get started.
When should you start beekeeping?
When should you start beekeeping? You should start, I always recommend, start with a little knowledge and know what you're doing. And that's all you have to do. You need to start beekeeping whenever you want, as long as you have some of the gear. You need a bee suit, gloves, you need a smoker, hive tool, and that's all you need, and you need a bee. So then, next question.
How many hives should you start off with?
I think this is the most asked question. I think you should start with 2 or 3, and that is the limit. But it's up to you. Whatever you want to do. You can go into 10 if you want to, but I'd start out with 2 or 3.
When should you feed your bees?
When should you feed your bees? You should start feeding them around for fall, going into like spring. Feed them spring, a little late spring, because you know with spring that then all the nectar sources comes up, and then they're able to start feeding off stuff. Next question.
What equipment should you use to start beekeeping?
What equipment? Well, the equipment you need a smoker. You can get a bee brush if you want, hive tool, smoker, bee suit, bee gloves. Make sure the bee suit has veil, body, and legs, arms, and gloves go up to your sleeves. You don't want them down here, then they crawl up, and then we'll do reviews on gloves a different day. But that's what I think you should start off with. Just go simple, and that's all you gotta do.
Bonus question is, which one is better, a package or a nuke?
Package or a nuke? For
a
me,
nuke of bees or a package of bees?
For me, it's a nuke. Package is just a little too more harder for me because
packages you start off with nothing. It's just a big box of bees.
But then a nuke has
a nuke has 5 frames. It's a 5-frame nucleus hive. It already has some brood. It has a good laying queen in there. Sometimes small.
That's right. Thank you for watching this video. And this is Vincent, co-host of this episode. We'll see you on the next video. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'm glad that my brother Vincent would be able to come in and we could chat for just a second. And please subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the blog. You'll see everything in the description below. And we'll see you on the next big video.